In today's video, we'll show you how to add and customize indicators on DxTrade. DxTrade offers some really useful indicators for you to use. First, navigate to the chart window. To add an indicator, click on the function symbol. Here you can find a variety of indicators, including popular ones like average true range, Bollinger Bands, MACD moving averages, and many more. You can hover over the question mark next to the indicator name to get more information about it. Let's say we want to add a simple moving average indicator. All you need to do is search for simple moving average in the search bar. Once it appears, you can either double-click on it or simply drag and drop it into the Added Indicators box. Now, let's customize it. First, you can choose the price to which you want the indicator to apply. There are various options like open price, high price, low price, close price, median, typical, OHLC average, or volume. Let's choose the open price. Next, you'll need to set the length of the moving average. For instance, if you want to calculate the average price of the last 12 candles, you can set that here. The Displace feature allows you to shift the SMA forward or backward in time. For example, if you set the Displace to 2, the SMA will exclude the last 2 candles from its calculation. Moving on, if you wish to see the SMA line on the chart, tick this checkbox. Next, you can customize the color of the line. And right over here, you can also adjust the thickness of the line in pixels. You also have the option to choose whether you want the indicator to be displayed as dots, lines difference, or a histogram. Finally, you can choose to overlap indicators. If you're using multiple indicators, you might want to overlap the SMA with other indicators for a more comprehensive analysis. Just select the checkbox and it's done. Once you've set everything, simply click Close. And you'll see the simple moving average indicator appear on the chart. If you want to remove the indicator, you can click on the cross icon here. Alternatively, go to the function symbol again and click the cross next to the indicator you wish to remove. And that's it. Additionally, you can explore a wider range of indicators on TradingView. Just click the layout icon at the top right corner and load the TradingView layout. Here, click on the function symbol to view all available indicators. And that's how you can add, customize, and remove indicators on DxTrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.